if I have 24 lamps, now I ask you a question. This 24 lamps is the real number of lamps or is it with overlapping? This is basically without overlapping. You write the actual number of lamps. Agree, disagree. So currently, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many more to go? That's the question that you have to ask yourself. Well, how many more to go in this scenario is going to be 24 minus 8, which then again will now say that this is 16 actual lamps. Understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, so this is a very, very important first sentence. Is that okay? Now, one thing I want to tell you or I want to remind you is because we are finding the corner, right? What happens is that there are a few that are overlapping. This is overlapping, this is overlapping. Can you understand? So, if I want to find how many are there all together, counting the corners, I will say 24 plus 2. That gets me to 26 what? Lambs, and in this situation, these lambs are with overlapping. You understand? Right? So if I were to split this up, it basically means 24 真的, 24 actual, and then we have 2 overlap. Okay, two overlap. You understand what I'm trying to say? Can you understand? So if I have 2 overlap, over here I already have how many? Over here I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? True? That means on this side I must also have 6 lambs. Agree, disagree? Okay, so now that I know that I have 26 lambs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask myself, right? From B to C, how many are there? We do 26 minus 6 minus 6. In this situation, we get to 14 lambs. Agree, disagree? Right? If you're wondering 14 lambs, why do you need that 14 lambs? Because we can see that the 195 only exists in the length. My job now is to make sure I say that 14 lambs will have how many gaps? 13 gaps. 13 gaps, I will get 195. Am I making sense? Right? So therefore, one gap in this scenario, what is one gap? One gap in this scenario, as you can see, is going to be 195 divided by 13, we get to 15. Am I making sense? Well, one gap means 2 lambs. But the question is really not asking about that, right? Is the question asking about that? No, the question says, I want you to find the breadth of the chord. The breadth of the chord has how many lambs? 6 lambs. 5 gaps. You are absolutely correct. So all you need to do is to ask yourself, how do I get from 1 to 5? You just times 5. True? That means over here you times 5 also. And that is the reason why your answer for this question has to be 75 meters.
Hey there, this is Joseph, and if you truly find value in this, I personally would like to invite you to check out our newly created on-demand learning platform, where you will get to watch our conceptual videos and step-by-step walkthroughs of top local school exam papers. The first 50 clients will enjoy early bird prizes, so if you're interested, click the link in the description or WhatsApp me at 8904-2827. I'll speak to you then. Bye!